EZWrite 6 for Windows is packed with powerful features that make whiteboarding more productive. Learn how to get the most out of these features with the following useful tips. Sticky notes are a great way to add interactivity to your lessons and get ideas on the board. People can quickly type their comments and then add them as notes. You can then move them around for easy organization. The Shape tool is a quick way to add 2D and 3D shapes to the board. Whether you're teaching geometry or creating diagrams and flowcharts, you no longer need to sketch them out. Simply use this tool to create shapes and adjust their size, color, and position on the board. The Object menu enables you to easily manage the content on the board for better lessons. Move images to the back and bring sticky notes to the front. You can also lock, group, duplicate, delete, and add links to objects as necessary. The Text Box tool lets you type text directly onto the board and change the font size, color, emphasis, and alignment. You can also resize and rotate the text box depending on your needs. EZWrite has built-in templates you can access through the menu. These are a set of scalable backgrounds that are commonly used for lessons. For example, you can use the Music Staff template to add sheets on the board. If you want to use your own template, you can import it by clicking the plus icon and add it to the list. EZWrite 6 lets you manage the quality of imported and exported files. Change the quality of images from 4K to Full HD for faster loading times when using the Cloud Whiteboarding feature. Because it's on Windows, you can use common keyboard shortcuts to cut and copy content from Microsoft Office, your web browser, or File Explorer, and then paste it onto the board. You can also use Print Screen to take a screenshot and then paste it onto EZWrite. And to ensure you're always getting the newest features, a notification will appear when a new version of EZWrite 6 is available. You can install new versions by following this message or manually checking for them in the settings.